So in the question we have that two vessels are there and they separately contain two ideal gases A and B. They are at same temperature T and the pressure of A being twice of that of B. So if pressure of B is P, then pressure of A will be 2P. And under such conditions, the density of A is found to be 1.5 times the density of B. So if density of B is considered as D, then density of A will be 1.5 times of D. We need to find the ratio of their molecular weights, that is small m. We know ideal gas equation PV is equal to given mass by molar mass into R into T. R will be constant for all the ideal gases. We need to, if Ma is the mass of A and Mb is the mass of, Ma is mass of A and Mb is mass of B. So our gas constant of A is equal to gas constant of B. So you can write PV into M by small m into T is equal to pressure of B into volume of B into molecular mass of B by mass of B into temperature. Temperature of both gases are same. So it will get cancelled. We can write pressure, we can get volume down. So it becomes P into M by V is equal to P of B into M of B by mass of B by volume of B. So P into M by density of A is equal to PB into MB by density of B. PA is, pressure of A is 2P, mass of A we need to find out. This is not small m, this is capital M. So 2P into Ma we need to find out by density of A is 1.5 D is equal to pressure of B is P, MB we need to find, density of B is D. So DD will get cancelled, PP will get cancelled. So Ma by MB is equal to 1.5 by 2. 1.5 can be written as 3 by 2 by 2, this 2 again. So this is equal to 3 by 4. So the option is 3.